All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we are gonna be changing up the exhaust setup on my Supercharged Shelby GT350. This is either gonna be a massive W or a complete L. I don't know how this is gonna sound, but we are going to be dumping the exhaust for some weight reduction, and obviously it's gonna give it some more sound as well. Hopefully it is a good sound. If you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and let's get on the way. All right, let's go get a cold start. There's something going on near my crib. I don't know what's going on, but something is definitely going on. Chopper just flew over. All right, this is gonna be quite possibly the last cold start with the Ford Performance X pipe and the Ford X Borla exhaust. 3, 2, 1. It's loud. Exhaust mode selection not available. Yeah, that won't matter. Well, actually kind of will matter, because I won't be able to go ahead and toggle between like drag mode as far as like the dampening settings, but we still should be good because these Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, they're hooking up. Warm up, and then we're gonna head over to the exhaust shop. I really hope this sounds good though, I really do. All right, we are on the road. My exhaust functions are still not working. Oh well. Hopefully they're not busy. I will tell you this, depending on how much it costs is also gonna depend on if I'm gonna do it. If it's like more than like, I'm gonna say like 300 bucks, I ain't gonna do it. Just for the fact that, you know, if it sounds like ass, then I just wasted my money. And I gotta pay another 300 bucks to fix it. So we'll see. Because I do need like 2 3-inch pipes, and a hanger and 2 hangers welded. Hey, it might be 300 bucks. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's not like I need a full exhaust, but we'll see. There's so much traffic up here on a Saturday, like what the heck. Oh, what the hell? Y'all saw that? Oh, I think somebody just ran off the road on accident. get closer to the spot, I'll pick up the vlog, and hopefully we can get this done today.
A few moments later.
All right, we're about to pull up. Let's see how much this is gonna cost, and hopefully, you know, it's reasonable, and the car will sound good. Should be like right up here, 0.2 miles. Yeah, right here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look like they're packed today. Whew. You're gonna see how it sounds. Oh, he stalled it. Happens to all of us.
One eternity later.
All right, so back in the car. Obviously, as you guys can hear, we did not go ahead and dump the exhaust. Now, the only reason we did not dump the exhaust is because the way that everything is like set up under the car, it cannot be supported as far as the weight goes how I wanted to set it up. There'd have to be some welding and some cutting, which obviously I'm not trying to do, so I'm gonna play it smart and order some just 3-inch pipe that could be just cut how I need it to be cut and how I want it to be cut, so the weight could be supported, and then we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'll do that. Honestly, they probably got it on Amazon, probably come in tomorrow or Monday, and then we'll get it knocked out like Monday or Tuesday, and then we'll have the dumps, and that way everything can be clamped on as opposed to being welded on, because I do not want to weld anything, because like I said, if it sounds bad, obviously with it being clamped, you know, you can just slip it right off, and it's not going to be a hassle. With cutting and welding, I'd actually have to cut part of my connection pipe, which is going to cause a huge problem. I don't want to do that. I definitely don't want to do that. That's going to mess up the O2 readings. I know that for a fact. So definitely not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and get some material ordered, and then I'll bring it back in a couple days, and we'll go ahead and have everything, you know, good to go. But yeah, it's a nice ass day. It really is a nice ass day. Maybe we'll do some pulls if there's some like space where I'm gonna go do a hit. Dang, man, there's no way. Ah, fuck. Literally the spot that I'm about to do a hit, there's a cop that pulled somebody over, man. What? You can't make this up. Pop, pop, pop. Out right now, like it really does not make any sense. And how is there not any cars and coffees going on right now? That's what I want to know. How is there not any cars and coffees going on right now? That is actually insane when you think about it.
A few moments later.
All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 55? I'm not gonna hook from a 55, bro. What? Is this stock? No, bro. Huh? No, it's boosted. Oh shit. This guy's like, is it stock? Hell nah, bro. I'm surprised it even hooked. That's funny, bro. This truck he pulled up. I should have been like, yeah, man, it's stock. I took off on his ass too. I'm surprised it hooked. Well, I actually have traction control on, so it makes sense. That's funny, bro. I wasn't even expecting that. He pulled up on me like revving and shit. I even had my GoPro on, like turned on. I set it on my head. I actually was gonna pull up to a spot and take a photo real quick. And he pulled up, literally revving like the scat packs do. He's about to launch it off this. Look. That's funny. Honestly, if he put a tire on it, it probably could launch pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you know, it was like, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. We ain't got no space to do stuff, bro. Oh man, that was funny. That was funny. Shit, I love traction control, everything on, man. Ooh, we got a state trooper right here. Yeah, let me go ahead and get out of this area, man. Let me go ahead and take my happy ass home right now. Two different spots where I want to do like a little, I'll do a little hit over here. Ooh. And apparently it's a state trooper over there. Let me go ahead and take my ass home, y'all. Oh my goodness. I gotta clean the filter on my catch can anyway. It's dirty. So let me go ahead and do that. I probably have like oil all over my the valve cover now, or like spots of it. I gotta get that cleaned up. It's been like probably been like 6 months since I cleaned that filter. Gotta go ahead and do that. Hey, that's how you know that, you know, it's working. If that thing wasn't getting dirty and it was clean, go right world. Got a C7Z over there. But if it wasn't getting dirty, then yeah, I'd be kind of like, what's going on here? All right, back at the casa. I will try again Monday, Tuesday to go ahead and get the exhaust dumps good to go. I just got to order the material because there's no way that I'm going to go ahead and hack up what I have right now. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, y'all. Deuces.